Hello guys, so I am sitting here in the bus stop at Ealing Hospital while I'm eating banana. One of these birds with pigeons were came to me and asking for food. So take this opportunity to video them, yeah. They are very cautious as well, but they are very tame. I like the birds here in the UK. The UK are animal lovers. Just look at my feet. Just someone here. Come on, come back. You, come back. This is a Filipino biscuit anyway. Oh, look at them. They're becoming. Look at them. See, they're very, very quick. Look at them. Only two, then three, then four, five, and now about 12 of them now. Look at them. There are more coming. Yeah, this is a bus stop here. That is Ealing Hospital. So feeding birds at Ealing Hospital's bus stop. Waiting. Feeding birds at the Ealing Hospital during this pandemic, man. What can I do? I have to go out. So I was eating this Skyflakes biscuits from the Philippines and banana as well. That's a lump of banana there. They don't eat banana actually. Look. So that's the banana there in front of them. Look, there's a lump of banana. That's mine. I give it to them. But they don't eat banana actually. Look at that. That's banana there. So one of the biscuits is finished already, but there are still small bits, you know. So that's it. So I have something to post on the Facebook during this pandemic. Feeding birds. Birds are very, very good. They are the best creation of God. God said He feed them. So human being is not perfect. There are lots of sins. That's why we are being punished of our sins. Okay guys, thank you for watching.